10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
And it's 6:46 on your Friday morning. We have made it to the end of the work week, guys. This is a live look from our Fallbrook sky cam. I couldn't resist showing off this view because earlier it was showing a lot more of those pinkish hues. Right now it's looking a little more blue. Closer to the coastal areas, we're dealing with fog. It is few and far between as far as those pockets of really dense fog go. Locally, visibility is down to about anywhere from 0 to a quarter of a mile. Right now, La Jolla is seeing visibility down to a quarter of a mile, as well as Kearney Mesa down about 3/10 of a mile. The National Weather Service has issued a dense fog advisory, and it will take us all the way through 9 o'clock for the coastline. Taking a look at the big picture and what's ahead, high pressure will weaken, moving a lot more south, allowing for an area of low pressure to dive south. So right now, a storm system is currently brewing off the coast of British Columbia. It will eventually transition towards California, centering itself over Nevada, and that will bring big changes for us here in Southern California. Now, first, that system brings rain, some snow to the Pacific Northwest, impacting parts of Northern California by Sunday morning, bringing them rain. And then, as far as Southern California goes, as it moves southward, it will bring us some showers, increasing our marine layer and amplifying our onshore flow. The greatest chances of some shower activity is going to be Monday afternoon into Tuesday. As of right now, the chances, though, look fairly slim, but there is still probability ranging anywhere from about 10 to 20%. Coastal areas will be in the low 70s up until Sunday. That is near seasonal. Then everyone will see those temperatures plummet Monday and Tuesday, with Tuesday being one of the coolest days of our 7-day outlook. Now, as I mentioned, we are looking forward to the potential of some shower activity, but taking a look at the probability, popped open the wrong graphic there, but the probability right now, as I mentioned, very slim. We'll likely, if anything, just see some drizzle, heavy mist, enough to kind of upset you if you just got a car wash. But right now the chances are looking about 20%, especially on Tuesday, and then we dry out Wednesday and Thursday just in time for Halloween. Taking a look at the inland 7-day forecast, remember, just because the days are warm doesn't mean the nights are. Overnight lows will remain in the mid to upper 50s up until Sunday night, and then they plummet down to the 40s on Tuesday. Now, taking a look at the spread between today and Tuesday, we are going to see some neighborhoods plummet down about nearly 25 degrees. Today, Ramona, for example, reaching a high close to 90 degrees. By Tuesday, daytime highs will be in the mid 60s and will actually stay in that pattern of the 60s for a lot of our inland communities. Now, with this storm system arriving, we are also going to see those winds have a kick. In fact, we're looking at southwesterly gusts ranging anywhere from 20 to 35 miles per hour on Monday and Tuesday. That will mainly target the mountains and deserts. Desert areas will be near that century degree mark all the way through about Sunday, and then we'll see those daytime highs plummet about 10-15 degrees Monday, even more so on Tuesday, and high pressure slowly starts to rebuild towards the end of next week. Mel.